Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to download and create a bootable USB drive. Okay, let's get started. For this tutorial you need two things. Number one is a USB drive. Number two is an internet connection. Okay, now open your favorite browser. Go to google.com. In Google, type download Windows 10 and press enter. Now click on the first link of Microsoft.com. Once you're in this page, scroll down a bit, then you can see a button called Download to Now. Click on that button. Click on the Save button. Now the executable file is saved. Click on the Media Creation tool. Once it's opened, you can see it will take few seconds to get things ready. Wait a second. Now you can see it asks for the license term agreement. So click accept. Now in here, choose create installation media and click next. In here, press next. In here, put your USB drive to your computer, plug it, then click next. Now you can see your USB drive is here. If it is here, just press refresh drive list. Then click next. As now you can see, it's downloading Windows 10 and put that files into your USB drive. This will take some time to download and install, create a bootable USB drive to your USB. After it's finished, you can use your USB drive to install Windows 10. I hope this video is helped you. If so, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you everyone.